Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about 3x3 can puzzles. Already previous 2 videos completed how to solve and rules of can puzzles one video and 3x3 basic models also completed. But in this video, 3x3 can puzzles in different models. Okay, let's into the video. Friends, it is a 3x3 can puzzle. In this can puzzle, suppose 3 boxes are there. Suppose it is a cages. This cage containing 3 boxes. So if given 3 boxes, what are the possibilities? What are the possibilities? First one is 4 plus. 4 plus means 1 plus 1 plus 2. Only one possibility. But in this 4 plus 1, 1, 2 means it is like, look like corner box. Means suppose 1, 1, 2, total 4. Suppose here given 4. Suppose here given 4, 1, 1, 2. That's why that is corner box. Suppose given 5 plus. 5 plus also 1 plus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 3. Suppose given 5 plus. 5 plus. Suppose given here 5 plus 1, 2, 2. Suppose given here 5 plus. Suppose given 5 plus. 5 plus. What are the possibilities? 1, 2, 2. So write here 1, 2, 2. Because same line 2 ragodu kada. That's why. 2, 2, 1. Suppose given 6 plus. 6 plus means 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means either corner box or straight box also possibilities. 7 plus. 7 plus means 1, 3, 3. Here 2 possibilities. 1, 3, 3 or 3, 2, 2. These 2 possibilities also corner faces. Corner means like this. Suppose here 7 plus. Already previous problem 7 plus is there. Here suppose 7 plus. So 7 plus means what are the possibilities? 1, 3, 3 or 3, 2, 2. So 2 possibilities. Suppose into operation. Into operation means 1, 1, 2. This is also corner boxes. 1, 1, 2. 3 into means 1, 1, 3. Because 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3, 3. That's why. 4 into means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. 6 into means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. 12 into. 12 into means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Similarly, 18 into. 18 into means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So, multiplication possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiplication possibilities. Here, plus possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 12 possibilities. So, 6 plus 6, 12 possibilities. Okay. ఈ పాసిబిలిటీస్ బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే కనుక ఈ పజిల్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి టైం సేవ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నౌ చెక్ గివెన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. సపోజ్ హియర్ 3 into 2, 2, 2, 7 plus. First of all, what about our rule? First rule, here first rule is fill freebie boxes. Here what are the freebie boxes? 2, 2, 2. These 3 are freebie boxes. Freebie boxes means these boxes does not have any fundamental operation. That's why first of all fill the freebie boxes directly. Suppose here 2, here also 2, here also 2. Now 3 into. Here 3 into means only one possibility. Only one possibility means 1, 1, 3. But don't write in the same row or same column, same numbers. That's why here 1 and 1 and 3. So completed, simple. So next one, what are the remaining boxes here? 3. What are the remaining number here? 3. What are the remaining number here? 1. That's why here 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Here 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3. So free. Completed. Now check another example. Suppose given 3 divided by 1, 12 into 2, 2 minus. First of all, you have to fill freebie boxes. Here what are the freebie boxes? 1 and 2. So completed. This case containing 2 boxes. 3 divided by in 3 by 3 puzzles only one possibility. 3 divided by means only 1 and 3. But already 1 is there. That's why don't write 1 here. That's why write 3 and 1. Completed. Next one, 12 into, but 3 boxes are there. 3 boxes. 12 into how many possibilities are there? Only one possibility. 2 into 2 into 3. That's why already here 2, 2, 3. Otherwise here what is the remaining number? 2. That's why 2 and 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Completed. Now, so 2 minus rest of the number will be here 1. Rest of the number will be here 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. Completed. ఫ్రెండ్స్ మీకు స్క్రీన్ లో 2 పజిల్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. ఈ 2 పజిల్స్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసి ఎంత టైంలో సాల్వ్ చేశారు అనేది ఆన్సర్ ని కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వెంటనే నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, యువర్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ స్టార్ట్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ పజిల్ ఆన్సర్ చూద్దాం. ఇది ఏంటంటే 2 divided by 3 divided by 18 into 1 minus. In this puzzle there is no freebie boxes, so don't worry. First of all, 18 into what are the possibilities of 18 into only one possibility, that is 2 into 3 into 3. That's why don't write same row or same day same number. That's why write here 3 and 3. So rest of the number will be 2. Completed half of the puzzle. Here what is the next number? 1. So 2 divided by means only one possibility. 2 divided by 1. So that's why rest of the number will be 2. So next number 3. Next number here 1. Here next number will be 1. Here next number will be 2. Simple. Friends, now check another one. 3 divided by 2, 1 minus 3 into 3. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ పజిల్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసి ఎంత టైంలో సాల్వ్ చేశారు అని మీ ఆన్సర్ కూడా కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం మన పజిల్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీ నేమ్ మన ఛానల్ అనౌన్స్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, నౌ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ టైం. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ 3 divided by 2, 1 minus 6 into 3. Here 2 freebie boxes are there. That's why first of all you have to fill the 2 freebie boxes. Here write 2 and write 3. These 2 are freebie boxes completed. So this case containing how many boxes? 3 boxes and 6 into. That's why what is the possibility of 6 into for 3 boxes? 6 into means 1, 2, 3. But here 3 is there. That's why don't write here 3. That's why write here 3. And 2 also don't write here. 1 and 2 completed. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 completed. Now 3 divided by means only one possibility for 2 boxes. 1, 3. But already here 3 is there. That's why don't write here 3. That's why here 1 and write 3. So the rest of the number will be 1. The rest of the number here 2. So our answer is completed. Okay friends, really like these videos. Please like it and share to your friends. Okay friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.